Merry Christmas to everybody. It's Christmas afternoon, 2023. Thought I'd come down and take one of the gifts that my girls gave me. It's really awesome for a 10 frame. This is a garden top. This came from Mountain Sweet Honey. I really like them a lot. These are built really well. Really not so much I hear for winter use, but I'm going to prep it for getting ready for spring. It's made really well. It's got mesh that covers the openings for ventilation. So the one thing I do know that you have to do before you can use these is you need to paint them. So that's what I'm going to do real quick and get it ready and show you what it looks like on a hive. All right, well, I've just propped this new garden top up on another box that I need to paint. So I'm simply taking some house paint, leftover house paint, and I'm going to hit this garden top. I'm going to paint it all over on the outside, but I'm definitely not going to touch the inside of this, even though most of the time it's not going to be in a place where the bees would be anyway. But you never know. Might be able to figure out how to put a feeder underneath this during the summer. So I'm going to just put a coat on this and we'll see how it looks. All right, well, I got this thing about 3/4 of the way coated. Good prime coat so far. Not too hard to paint at all. You do want to try to get up underneath these little ribs, I would say, for the roof. Obviously, the paint really needs to be mostly on the very top, so it just holds up against the heat. I'm here in Middle Georgia, so it can get a little bit hotter, so we want to make sure we got a real good coat. Of course, you need a good coat no matter what, just for rain and everything else. So I'm going to continue to coat this. Doesn't take long at all. And you can see I'm just going over everything on the outside. I'm painting it good. Keep doing it to make sure I get underneath, just kind of underneath the edge of this good. Overhang and on the face. The fascia part, and then I'm obviously coating the ends really good. Doesn't take much time. You got a real good coat on. This thing will be ready for spring for one of my main hives, and we'll put it on and make the apiary look pretty good. We'll keep going. Okay, and just like that, without too much work, this is what the finished product looks like. I do recommend, well, it's my first one I've had, so I'd say for a first time doing it, very easy to do. Took me probably 30 minutes to paint it or less. Fits really well on the new hive. This thing's ready for 5-frame nuke box that I'm picking up from Mountain Sweet Honey in first weekend of March. So give it a try. And yeah, I would tell you to do something like this if you want to spruce up your bee yard just a little bit. Only cost about $25, I think. Got it for a Christmas gift, so you can't beat that. And then easy to do and kind of spruce up your apiary a little bit. Okay, have fun with it. God bless.